Welcome back. A Dornier surveillance aircraft of the Indian Navy crashed at Cap de Ram coast on Tuesday night. This crash took place at 19 nautical miles from Karwar coast. The aircraft was on routine training mission with 3 personnel on board. 1 personnel has been rescued and 2 officers are still missing. Search and rescue operations are in progress. Around 6 warships and some aircrafts are pressed into services. Last contact with the aircraft was reported on Tuesday night. Senior citizen Ramchand Halwai from Baina Vasco complained that he is harassed by Sankwal Panchayat for obtaining occupancy certificate for his own house. He is struggling for the past 1.5 years. 76-year-old Ramchandra is on a one-day hunger strike at Azad Maidan. He says that Sankwal Panchayat member has asked for bribe of 1 lakh rupees to issue occupancy certificate. Ramchandra Halwai has boldly refused to corruption.
Senior citizen Ramchandra Halwai complained that Sankwal Panchayat members are harassing him to issue a occupancy certificate for his residential house at Baina Vasco. The block development officer of Mormugaon has ordered village Panchayat secretary Sankwal to issue occupancy certificate to the newly constructed residential house, but the Panchayat has failed to do so.
आम्ही सगळे documents formality complete केला. Till today we have not been issued occupancy certificate. Even earlier ex-Sarpanch Ramakant Borkara 75,000 rupees bribe घेताना ACP department ताका red-handed धरला. अजून पर्यंत आमकां occupancy होना. BDO आमी appeal केला. BDO चे केस आमचे फेवरीन येला. तेंच्यांनी 20 days भितर आमकां ये occupancy certificate दिवपा म्हणून directives दिला. ते पर्यंत अजून तिकून ते direct आमकां occupancy certificate दिवना.
RTI activist Rajan Ghate has supported the hunger strike and has demanded that the Right to Service Act should be passed immediately.
हे गव्हर्नमेंट हे खरे ज्येष्ठ नागरिकाचे न्ही तर हे खास आदमीचे जावन आसा आणि हे आम आदमीचे सुद्दां न्ही गव्हर्नमेंट. हेच्या खातीर आमकां जाय तो म्हणटा तो एक्ट आयज आमकां पास करपाक जाय तो रायट टू सर्वीस एक्ट आणि सिटीजन चार्टर जेणे करून आमकां हो मेळटलो खरो न्याय मेळटलो.
Earlier on the complaint of senior citizen Ramchandra Halwai, Anti-Corruption Bureau had arrested Panch Ramakant Borkar for allegedly accepting bribe from Halwai. Reporter Mahesh Khadi with Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar has allocated 120 crore rupees to develop infrastructure for the 36 national games to be held in Goa next year. The responsibility of executing the task of preparing the state for the games will lie with the Sports Authority of Goa. The Chief Minister also made a provision of 10 crore rupees to the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs to operationalize the recently finalized state youth policy.
Sports and Youth Affairs. Speaker Sir, a provision of rupees 10 crore to operationalize the recently finalized state youth policy. As honorable members are aware that we recently conducted Lusophonia Games very successfully. We need to develop infrastructure standard facilities through SAG for the 36 national games, and as such I propose to allocate rupees 120 crores to Sports Authority of Goa for this purpose. Housing. Sir, I propose to allocate another rupees 20 crores to the Housing Board for creation of housing facilities for the national games. These housing facilities would then be allotted to persons belonging to poor and low income group at a concessional rate after the completion of the games.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Take care and goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.